Hi guys, we are at Little Bird thrift store and I'm gonna get my daughter some outfits if I find any with a $40 budget. So. Alright guys, so my budget was 40 bucks and I ended up spending 2204, 2205, something like that. Because turns out that everything was buy one get one free. This one was only $4.99. Look how cute that is. It was $4.99. This little set was $3.99. It's the shirt and the little shorts. And then we got this other little dress, and this was only $6. Then I got this cute little overall. Look how cute, guys. And this was only $6.50. And I got these little shorts for $1.99. Cute. And my daughter was crying. She's been wanting something like this to put in the house. It's just a little, it's hard to show, but just a little thing that she can write inside the house and she doesn't have to be going outside. But yeah, you guys should come to this thrift store for your kids. You guys are gonna love it.